In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate image with Leonardo AI Mobile. First, open the Leonardo AI app on your phone and wait for the main screen to fully load. Starting from the app's home screen makes it much easier to follow along and find the tools you need without missing anything. Once you're inside the app, tap on Generate. This is the section where you create new images, and it's the main workspace you'll be using for the entire process. After that, tap on the Model option, then select Image, and choose the model you want to use for your generation. Different models can produce different styles or results, so if you're aiming for a particular look, this is an important step. Take a moment to make sure you've picked the one that matches the type of image you want to create. Next, tap in the prompt area and type your prompt. This is where you describe the image you want Leonardo AI to generate. Try to be clear and specific with your wording, because the quality of your prompt can have a big impact on the final result. A more detailed prompt usually gives the AI better direction. Once your prompt is entered, tap the settings icon to customize the generation. In the settings, choose the quality level, the image dimensions, and the number of generations you want. These options help you control how your image turns out. Higher quality may give better results, while image dimensions affect the size and shape of the final image. Choosing the number of generations lets you create multiple versions at once, which is helpful if you want a few options to choose from. When you're done adjusting everything, tap Done or OK to save your settings. Then start the generation. Leonardo AI will begin creating your image based on the prompt and settings you selected. And that's how to generate an image with Leonardo AI on mobile.